If you're studying for your APC final assessment, this course exists because most candidates don't fail on technical knowledge. They fail on structure, evidence, and how they present themselves under questioning. Over the next few modules, I'll walk you through exactly what assessors are looking for, using nearly 2 decades on assessment panels. Quick housekeeping. This decade also accompanies the video series, and the downloadable checklist is in the description and on the closing side. Quick word on why this course exists. I've spent over 35 years in commercial quantity surveying on major UK infrastructure work, and since 2008 I've sat as an assessor for professional accreditation bodies, meaning I've watched candidates succeed and fail from the other side of the panel table. I've spent almost close to a decade lecturing at university, so it isn't just war stories, it's structured, it's been tested out on real students. These 5 patterns show up panel after panel. None of them are actually about lacking knowledge, they're about the knowledge that gets presented and defended. I'll expand on each of these across the modules that follow, starting with the written submission, then moving into the interview itself. 5 modules, each one mapped directly to a stage of the actual assessment, not a generic study skills course. We start with the submission because that's where most of the damage or advantage gets locked in, long before you reach the actual interview panel. Read both examples on the screen slowly. The words identified, advised, and the client accepted are all doing the work here. They show judgment and consequence, which is exactly what level 3 competence is marked against. In the workbook that comes with the module, you'll rewrite 3 of these own examples using the same pattern. Everyone gets the on-demand modules and the workbook, so you can work through material at your own pace in the run-up to the assessment. There's group coaching and one-to-one interview intensive live sessions and a mock interview practice. More on these and how these tiers work on the next slide. Most candidates start with self-study and then add a mock interview closer to their assessment. So you don't need to decide the whole path today. Pricing shown here is indicative. Current availability and exact pricing are on the website. If you take one thing from this video, make it the free downloadable checklist. Scan the first QR code and find the link in the description. It's free. It covers the same 5 failure points we discussed today. Join our WhatsApp community. And if you want to ask questions between now and your assessment date, feel free, or message me directly on WhatsApp if you'd like to go through which tier is right for you before you commit. Thanks for listening.